In this video, we're going to learn about decomposition reactions. So, what are decomposition reactions all about? The reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler compounds are known as decomposition reactions. The decomposition reactions are carried out using heat, light, or electricity. Heat, light, or electricity provide energy which breaks a compound into two or more simpler compounds. Decomposition reaction is just the opposite of combination reaction. For example, sodium chloride decomposes to give sodium and chlorine gas. Twice NaCl solid decomposes to give twice Na solid plus Cl2 gas. Silver bromide decomposes to give silver and bromine gas. Twice AgBr solid gives twice Ag solid plus Br2 gas. Now, let us learn about its classification. Decomposition reactions can be classified into three types. They are A. Thermal decomposition reaction, B. Electrolytic decomposition reaction, and C. Photodecomposition reaction. Let's start with thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition, also known as thermolysis, is a chemical decomposition caused by heat. The reaction is usually endothermic, as heat is required to break chemical bonds in the compound undergoing decomposition. For example, calcium carbonate (CaCO3) decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide when heated. CaCO3 upon heating gives CaO, that is calcium oxide, and CO2, that is carbon dioxide. Next comes electrolytic decomposition reaction. It means breaking up in ions when electricity is passed into a solution. An example will make it clear. Electrolysis of water, in which decomposition of water takes place into oxygen gas and hydrogen gas due to an electric current being passed through water. Twice H2O liquid gives twice H2 gas plus O2 gas. Third one is photodecomposition reaction. Photodecomposition is a chemical reaction in which a substance is broken down into simpler substances by exposure to light, that is, photons. Example, decomposition of silver chloride and silver bromide. Twice AgCl, silver chloride, decomposes on exposure to sunlight to give twice Ag, solid, and Cl2, gas. The color of AgCl is white, the color of Ag is greyish white, while the color of Cl2 is yellowish green. Again, twice AgBr on exposure to sunlight decomposes to give twice Ag, solid, and Br2 gas. It is worth mentioning that the color of AgBr is pale yellow, the color of Ag, that is silver, is greyish white, and the color of bromine is red brown. You can note here that the above reactions are used in black and white photography. Okay, we have some home tasks for you. You have to write down one example each of thermal, electrolytic, and photodecomposition reactions. So that's all from today's class. See you in the next class.